Do it again.
I can't see, obviously.
You're blinding him. No, do it.
Oh, okay, I got my eyes closed.
Okay, you don't have to look.
I have to look at the light, like a bug, you know. Don't go into the light. I can't. It's so beautiful.
I'm still waiting for the Wookiee call.
Don't do it anymore, honey. It's embarrassing.
Guess where this is going, Dad? It so is.
I'll deny it. Say it wasn't me.
Well, the proof is in the pudding.
Stop it. Get away from me.
Ew.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Oh my God, I do the same thing to Tony. That's crazy.
Stop it.
I am my father's daughter.
What?
What are people going to think when they see this?
Oh my gosh. Don't you show that to anybody.
I'm putting it on Facebook right now.
Oh no. Can't. Well, you're the one.